Finger family.
Welcome to the Finger family. I'm the mummy Finger. Lovebirds chilling in the Oreo ice cream cake is a perfect cake for Valentine's Day or anniversaries. Preheat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius. Let's prepare the dry ingredients first. In a bowl, add 2.5 cups of flour. Always sift the flour to avoid lumps. Add 1.5 teaspoon of baking powder and mix well. In a mixer, add 1 cup of unsalted butter. Beat well till it's soft and fluffy. Add 1 cup of sugar, 2 tablespoons of vanilla extract or vanilla sugar and beat well. Add 4 eggs and beat them till soft. Now add the dry ingredients and half cup of milk into the mixer little by little, beating in between. Add desired Oreo biscuit pieces into the cake batter and mix with a spatula. Pour the cake batter into a 24 cm greased cake pan. Spread the batter uniformly in the pan. Bake it at 180 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes. Check if the cake is baked properly by inserting a toothpick or a knife. For the whipped cream frosting, in a bowl, add 2 cups of whipped cream and beat well. Add 2 cups of powdered sugar. Crush few Oreo biscuits and mix them. Let's start with the cake decoration. Remember to freeze the cake before the party. Enjoy the delicious Oreo ice cream cake.
If you like the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel by hitting the subscribe button below.